Qaid Azam's short history. Qaid Azam, meaning great leader, is the title bestowed upon Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who is widely regarded as the founding father of Pakistan. Here is a short history of his life. Muhammad Ali Jinnah was born on December 25, 1876, in Karachi, which was then part of British India. He hailed from a Gujarati Muslim family and received his early education in Karachi and Bombay, now Mumbai. Jinnah later traveled to England in 1892 to pursue higher studies in law and became a barrister. After completing his education, Jinnah returned to Bombay and started his legal practice. He quickly rose to prominence as a competent lawyer and became actively involved in politics. Jinnah initially joined the Indian National Congress, a political party that sought independence from British rule, and worked towards Hindu-Muslim